Bakla bak godak mu pakla godak tu sada. Çay çamaz. Zvantai में चश्ना गैर वहाँ चाय मार तो चुका सान सड़क में तो चाय हो चम.
Now we went Nishad Garden from back of its side. It's always fun going like this.
The actual paradise, not of Sanok. Here is Faizan. Faizan will tell you something. Faizan will tell you something about this place, where actually we are.
This place, I think it was built by Mughals in the 14th century. So that they have a look towards the Dal. It had, I guess, 8 parks, like 8 downstairs. I think now it's reduced to 6.
Anything else that you know?
It's right. It's very cold right now, so I don't think you can see actually like there are no leaves to the trees.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would.
But still, it looks so awesome, na?
Yeah.
It suits this weather actually.
It's all covered with snow.
And here is Faisal. Faisal,
Yeah.
you want to say something about this place? And
This place is really beautiful. All the gardens.
no,
on
tell
this
them which place it is.
side. This is Nishad Mughal Garden.
Yeah, and from where we entered
Historical
here.
garden.
Tell
We
them
entered
something.
from the back side, not from the front.
Yeah, because
Because of the tickets.
yeah, we are not the tourists.
Yeah. Because we know about this place a lot. We know each and every.
Here,
Found a,
here is
found a crazy guy.
we found a crazy guy here who actually was demanding for cigarettes, but we don't smoke.
And he was demanding for loaded cigarettes.
And he was demanded loaded cigarettes. That means you guys can understand it what it is actually. And he was a Paji, a Sardar.
I think there's not a lot of people today here.
Yeah.
There's no rush of tourists. As it's
Actu-
already 5 p.m., I think they must have.
Because of the cold, people visit Gulmarg. Prefer to visit Gulmarg than these places in winter.
Some movies
You can see
where
some
shooting happened. Like we have seen in some Bollywood
beautiful.
movies. And we are missing our 2 friends who we boycotted today.
Actually,
Because when I left home, he
Uh-huh.
told me not to pick up Muba, and he also told me not to pick up this guy. But we met this guy on the way,
yeah.
so that's why we picked him up.
They are my brothers.
He planned something. He planned something.
He totally rejected me about Muba and told me not to pick him up as we are going to the university.
This guy
He doesn't
this guy
deserve to
was
come
having this guy was having some personal plan with this guy, so they boycotted all, but suddenly I saw them outside
But particularly what he told me when I was leaving the home, he told me not to pick up Muba. I swear upon Allah.
Yeah.
He told me not to pick up Muba because he doesn't deserve to come to university. Actually, we had to go to university first.
there is something fake in this, but Muba, don't be serious over it.
I swear I am not making fun of anyone. I am just telling what he told me.
Okay, nice.
There will be also tomorrow. Like you won't be here, Muba will be here.
We can still.
Yeah, exactly.
We will still manage to go. But I am just telling the truth.
That's not an issue.
I am just telling what you told me when we left the home.
Today Muba got replaced, tomorrow he will get replaced.
But I am always going to take one guy with me, and that's Sabit. I just called him. He was the first person whom I called when I left.
Yeah, he called me. I rejected
called
his
him
call 2
multiple
times
times,
because
but
I
he
was
rejected
doing
the call.
something. I was doing
He was
something.
busy with something that time.
Yeah, I rejected the call. Then I called Faizan.
But-
Faizan told me.
But when I was leaving home, Faizan strictly told me not to pick up Muba. I swear upon Allah.
Seriously, when I called Faizan at
He told
3:30.
me we are going to
Listen. When I called Faizan at 3:30, he didn't receive my call. I was pretty sure that he is outside.
Yeah.
And I was knowing that where he might be. That place I know. But eventually they received my call because they completed their work.
No, leave that thing aside.
Now it was the time
told
to
me
go
what he
outside
told
with
me. I
friends.
swear he told
Okay,
me.
nice.
Completed, bro.
I swear he told me when I told him about Muba, he told me, no, we can't take him as we are going to the university, and Muba doesn't deserve to come there. I don't know why he said so, but he said so.
Yapar ya Sheena sunt le ya maz bas.
Bas gaya par agar wo botsay.
Atmos ke shizana kara kamal.
Oh wow, it's looking beautiful.
So actually that guy is coming who was demanding some cigarettes. We'll try to talk to him.
Actually, I think that he is just.
You guys try to talk to him. I'll just capture the video.
Here we met a crazy guy who was demanding some cigarettes.
So beautiful.
Let's see, will he talk to us?
Uncle ji, you want to tell something about this place? You want to tell something about this place?
98 से पहले ये ईश्वर नहीं आता था गुनाह नहीं कर रहा जानने के सब बातें
अब
पैसे नहीं होते थे दोस्त परवेज देता था पैसे 10 रुपए माली को फूल हमको दे के फिर एक शैतान से सगाई हुई शैतान के साथ आते अब उसकी माँ को उसको छोड़ दिया फिर आई फिर छोड़ दिया तो अब हम खुद आते हैं सर बाप लोगों के साथ माँ लोगों के साथ सबके साथ ये बात है सर अब बड़ा करार है 98 में आया था मोहम्मद यहाँ
आप एक्चुअली कहाँ के हो?
कोशिश
त्राल के हो? क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी सरदार जो भी होते हैं त्राल से होते हैं.
तो बस ये गुरु गावन ये पंजू इरशाद सिंह अमर सिंह रतन सिंह बस माय फादर.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Monkeys produce monkeys.
Yeah, exactly.
Donkeys produce donkeys.
Right.
Carry Jesus Christ on our shoulders, sir. He's my father. I am Muslim League.
Oh, nice.
I have myself ruled Iran. While I was in Chile, as the president of Iran, Ahmadinejad.
हाँ.
फिर बाद में वो फेंक दी गाँव खा गए शैतान. अब देखिए सर ऐसे ही है ऐसे ही जिंदगी बीतेगी अहमदीन की तरह ही सब.
Seriously, we couldn't understand what he was saying.
Okay, so we had a conversation with him. He was saying extreme that we cannot show them or we have to use. You can pull your jeans. Everything is with it.
Father is not concerned about the world. He's not concerned about his daughter.
Actually, he's an asshole. The mountains over these are the Zabarwan. These are the Zabarwan range. Actually, he is giving an explanation in this video that he will bring them. He is showing sympathy to them. Actually, he is the
He told me in the university that he is a dog.
fake. If you will see this, it's all fake. It's all fake. He's trying to pull your legs.
I am not trying to pull his leg. He told me in the university that he doesn't deserve to come to school. I am such a gentleman.
Now we're going back home and we're climbing the wall from the back side of the garden so that we can go back to home. We enjoyed a lot, but we missed our friends.
Every single day, I'm gonna make
You will see the
You have been telling this from 10 years. Give me 1 month.
We gave. He told us to give him 1 month. We gave him skipping rope. We gave him the resistance band. Everything is.
Leave aside the time. We gave everything. But still, he keeps on gaining weight.
Bro, if I eat of my own money. I don't borrow money from you guys.
What is the plan now? Tell me, guys.
Please.
The plan is we'll go Lal Chowk, then we'll go.
I am ready, but he is just begging. You can see. I think we should. I think we should drop him at home and then.
No.
Yeah.
We'll go. We'll go Lal Chowk.
Bro, please.
No, not this time, Sabit. Look at the time.
Okay.
It's already
Let's go
5:45.
back.
Eine gota shisha baj gasan.
So we're heading back to home.
Please play some music also, man.
Yeah, wait.
Actually, everyone should visit here who is from outside Kashmir.
They should have a visit to this place.
They should have a visit to this place. It's so beautiful that you will not. It has its beauty in summer. It has its beauty in winter.
You won't regret coming here. That's for sure.
Just you want to.
Just increase the volume there a bit.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
It was because of the snow.
Yes.
Here Faisal got a
Actually,
call
he had
from his
requested
dad
father
that
for,
come home.
So what do you mean to say that?
That's why we are making fun of it.
I'm okay with it.
Do one thing. Drop him.
Where?
Drop him at Hanan's.
Here we're going to drop Faizan at his home. Then Faisal will drop me home back.
Let him
His brother is a world.
Let's stay here.
So we reached Faizan's
is going
place and it's time to say
So we-
goodbye to Faizan.
We will end this video here.
Let us
Here
was brought
Faisal had a
on
minor
scheme
car
by his
crash
father.
to the wall.
See the fat guys.